and welcome. I have quoted that all a car needs to start is fuel and spark. That's a bit of a generalisation, and Integrale needs a bit more. A cold start in Integrale, for an Integrale to start properly from cold, some stars have to align. First of all, the only way the Integrale can richen the mixture to start from cold is to lengthen the time that the injectors are open. So the ECU does this by taking a signal from the temperature sensor. If you're ever going to buy a car and you want to know that it's starting from cold, just put your hand on the exhaust and check that the exhaust is cold. If it's warm, the car's been started. If it's cold, it is a genuine cold start. The temperature sensor is here. Now it's on the back of the thermostat that you can just see down there. There's a blue plug. Can we see it? That's it there. That's it. That's the blue plug. So the temperature sensor needs to be immersed in water. So we need to check that the water's full. So it needs to be cool, and then when the water warms up, it signals the ECU that it can go back to normal. Now, the plugs can come off, the wires can break to the plug, and that the sender itself, the sensor plug that goes into the water, the sensor itself can lose efficiency over time, so you need to check that. The second thing the car needs is a slightly increased idle speed. This is controlled by this device here, which is the idle control valve. So it gets a small current from the ECU. There's a plunger inside which goes up and down and opens and allows air up a pipe to bypass the throttle body and allows air on the other side of the closed throttle body. The throttle body is closed with the butterfly valve. It allows air in to the other side to increase the idling speed. We also need a good battery. This car drains electricity from the battery. I don't know why, I don't know where it goes, and I couldn't be bothered finding out. So it's easier just take a terminal off. So these are aftermarket terminals which I've fitted for 13mm, so I always keep a 13mm spanner. So when you do this, keep the keys in your hand or it'll lock you out. That's the lock. Right. This is 13mm, as I say. The original Morelli terminals, I think they're 8mm. So that's on. Check the oil. It's a little bit dirty, that, isn't it? Look at that. Check the oil. Check the water. Right. To start from cold properly, an Integrale shouldn't need any input from the driver. The sensors around the engine should tell the ECU what to do without pressing the accelerator. So this car hasn't been used for three or 4 weeks, so it's good and cold. I've got the keys. I'll jump in, I'll turn the ignition on, give it a few seconds, build the fuel pressure up, and we'll see if it starts as it should. Show you something. behind the control valve. Right, that start didn't happen by chance. That's taken a lot of work. To get it to do that properly has taken a lot of work. All kinds of things adjusted correctly, making sure everything's perfect. A new temperature sensor, all that kind of malarkey. So when it does start, get away as soon as you can. The cool little warm up, tell the ECU to weaken the mixture. You don't want an over-rich mixture. You get bore wash, where you get fuel, over-fueling into the engine, washes the lubricant off the bores, so you get wear. So if it starts, you've got to start it, get going as soon as you can, which will be fun. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye.